Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well. Today in this video, IV cannulation procedure. Let's get started. First apply tourniquet and wipe the skin with alcohol swab. Open the cannula cap. Here I am using 22 gauge blue cannula. First locate the veins and palpate the veins. You can also tap the veins to dilate the vessel. Always stretch the skin while inserting the needle. Keep the needle at the angle very parallel to the skin so that there is no resistance while inserting the needle. Now slightly advance the cannula into the vein. You can see there is blood in flashback chamber. Now you are in the vein. This is important step. First remove the tourniquet and then remove the needle. Now remove the needle. The blood doesn't come out. Close the cannula. Now apply cannula fixators. After IV cannulation, always do a flush so that you are in the vein. So guys, that's all for this video. This is my way of IV cannulation. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.